In this video, I'll show you how to create a US-based TikTok account and what actually works right now. If you want your account to be associated with a specific region, there are a few key factors that can influence how TikTok interprets your setup and location. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you know exactly what to do and how to set it up properly. Just remember to stay within TikTok's terms of service and community guidelines. So first, let's go over the setup. This part is very important if you want everything to work properly. The main thing you want to do here is reset your phone so it's completely clean. A full factory reset removes any previous data, location history, and app activity that could affect how TikTok sees your device. Starting from a clean device helps keep everything consistent and gives you the best possible setup before moving to the next steps. Once your setup is ready, we can move to the most important part, the VPN. A VPN basically changes your IP address and secures your connection, which helps platforms interpret your location differently. That's why this step is key if you want everything to work properly. It's important to use a solid premium VPN here. Free ones usually don't work well enough and can cause issues with consistency or performance. After testing different options, two VPNs clearly stand out, NordVPN and Surfshark. If you want to get the best deal on the VPNs I'm about to mention, check the link in the pinned comment below. That's where you'll find the latest discounts available right now. Starting with NordVPN, this is one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs right now. It offers thousands of high-speed servers across many locations, with speeds reaching over 800 megabits per second thanks to the NordLynx protocol and 10 gigabits per second infrastructure. You also get unlimited bandwidth, a strict no-logs policy, and support for up to 10 devices at the same time, which makes it a solid and stable option for this setup. You also get additional features like threat protection, which can include things like blocking malicious websites, ads, trackers, phishing attempts, and other online threats, depending on the plan and device you're using. When it comes to plans, NordVPN offers a few different options depending on what you need. It's worth checking the details to see what fits you best. The longer plans, especially the 2-year option, give you the best value overall. Next is Surfshark. This is another strong option, known for its speed and flexibility. It runs on a network of 4,500 plus servers across 100 countries and can reach speeds of over 950 megabits per second, so performance is not an issue here. It also has a no-logs policy, strong encryption, and one big advantage: it supports unlimited devices on a single account. You also get additional features like antivirus protection, which can include real-time malware scanning, protection against suspicious files and downloads, and even webcam protection to block unauthorized access, depending on the plan. When it comes to plans, Surfshark also offers a few options depending on your needs. It's worth checking all the plan options to see what works best for you. Just like with NordVPN, the longer plans, especially the 2-year option, are the most cost-effective. You can also upgrade with a dedicated IP, which gives you a unique static IP address instead of a shared one. This can help keep your connection more consistent and reduce the chances of any issues. Once you've set everything up and chosen your VPN, connect to a US server, or use your own dedicated IP, which I highly recommend for better consistency. After that, download TikTok, install it, and create your account while you're connected. If everything was done correctly, it should now work as intended. So that's pretty much it. If you follow these steps, everything should work as expected. And again, if you want to get the best deal on the VPNs I mentioned, check the link in the pinned comment below. That's where you'll find the latest discounts available right now. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.